Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. Have you ever been confused about a collision that you had? Today, we're tackling the myths surrounding collision repair. We'll unravel common misconceptions, providing you with accurate insights into what really matters when it comes to repairing your vehicle after an accident. Debunking common collision repair myths. What you need to know. Are you confused about collision repair? There are plenty of myths out there that could lead you astray. In this blog post, we'll debunk some of the most common collision repair myths, providing you with accurate information to help you make informed decisions about your vehicle. Whether it's about insurance coverage, repair costs, or the quality of repair work, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to separate fact from fiction and ensure you have the right knowledge when it comes to collision repair. The truth about insurance coverage misconception. Insurance will only cover repairs from approved shops. Many people believe that their insurance will only cover collision repairs if they are done at pre-approved repair shops. This is a common myth that can lead to unnecessary stress and confusion after an accident. Understanding your coverage. In reality, most insurance policies give you the freedom to choose where you want to have your vehicle repaired. While your insurer may recommend approved repair shops, they cannot force you to use them. It's essential to review your policy and understand your rights as a policyholder. Direct repair programs. Some insurers have direct repair programs with specific auto body shops, but it's important to know that you are not obligated to use these shops. You have the right to select a repair facility that you trust and feel comfortable with. Your insurance coverage should extend to the shop of your choice as long as the repairs are necessary and reasonable. Your choice matters. When it comes to collision repairs, it's crucial to choose a reputable and skilled repair shop. Your insurance coverage should support your decision to work with a trusted shop, ensuring that your vehicle is restored to its pre-accident condition. Final thoughts. Understanding the reality of insurance coverage for collision repairs can alleviate unnecessary concerns and allow you to make informed decisions in the unfortunate event of an accident. Remember that you have the right to choose a repair shop that meets your needs and standards, regardless of any recommended options by your insurer. Debunking the aftermarket parts myth. Quality of aftermarket parts. Aftermarket parts have long been considered inferior to OEM parts, but this is not always the case. In fact, many aftermarket parts are produced by the same manufacturers that supply the OEMs, meeting the same quality and safety standards. It's important for consumers to understand that not all aftermarket parts are of poor quality. Cost effectiveness. One common misconception is that aftermarket parts are cheaper because they are of lower quality. However, aftermarket parts can often be more cost-effective without sacrificing quality. They can provide a more budget-friendly option for consumers without compromising the safety or performance of their vehicle. Warranty considerations. Many aftermarket parts also come with warranties, offering consumers peace of mind regarding their quality and performance. This debunking of the myth highlights the need for consumers to carefully consider their options and not dismiss aftermarket parts solely based on misconceptions. The importance of addressing minor damages. Preventing further damage. Addressing minor dents and scratches is crucial in preventing further damage to your vehicle. Even seemingly minor blemishes can lead to rust and corrosion if left untreated. Maintaining vehicle value. Leaving minor damages unrepaired can significantly decrease the resale value of your vehicle. Potential buyers may perceive the vehicle as poorly maintained or worry about hidden damage, leading to a lower resale price. Enhancing aesthetics. Unrepaired dents and scratches can detract from the overall appearance of your vehicle, diminishing its aesthetic appeal. By addressing these issues promptly, you can ensure your vehicle maintains its visual appeal and looks well cared for. Avoiding safety risks. In some cases, seemingly minor damages can compromise the structural integrity of the vehicle, potentially impacting its safety in the event of another collision. Addressing these damages promptly is essential for ensuring the safety of both the driver and passengers. Understanding your rights in choosing a repair shop. Insurance recommendations. When you're involved in a collision, your insurance company may recommend a repair shop. It's important to understand that you have the right to choose your own repair shop, regardless of the insurance company's suggestions. Your insurance policy does not dictate where you must have your vehicle repaired. Remember that you are the customer, and you have the final say in where your vehicle is serviced. Choosing your own shop. Selecting a repair shop that you trust and feel comfortable with is crucial. Your chosen repair shop should have a solid reputation and provide high-quality work. Consider asking for recommendations from friends and family or researching online reviews to find a reputable repair shop in your area. Ensuring quality repairs. By choosing a repair shop that aligns with your preferences and standards, you ensure that the repair work on your vehicle meets your expectations. A repair shop recommended by your insurance company may prioritize cost savings over quality, potentially affecting the overall repair and the value of your vehicle in the long term. It's essential to make an informed decision based on your priorities and preferences when selecting a repair shop for your vehicle's collision repairs. Quality repair techniques and technologies. Modern repair techniques. Modern collision repair techniques utilize advanced technologies such as computer-aided design, CAD, and computer-aided manufacturing, CAM, to ensure accurate and precise repairs. These technologies allow technicians to restore vehicles to their pre-accident condition with minimal margin of error. Additionally, the use of specialized tools and equipment enables technicians to address even the most complex damages effectively. Advanced repair materials. The use of high-quality materials in collision repair plays a vital role in achieving the best results. Advanced materials such as high-strength steel, aluminum, and carbon fiber are meticulously selected to match the original specifications of the vehicle. This ensures that repaired vehicles retain their structural integrity and safety features, aligning with the manufacturer's standards. Paint matching technology. One common concern is the appearance of the repaired area not matching the rest of the vehicle. However, modern paint matching technology, including spectrophotometers and color matching software, enables technicians to precisely match the vehicle's original paint color. This ensures a seamless blend between the repaired and unaffected areas, leaving no visible signs of the repair. Precision measurement systems. To guarantee accurate repairs, technicians use precision measurement systems to assess and align vehicle components. Laser-based measuring tools help identify even the slightest deviations from the manufacturer's specifications, allowing for precise adjustments to ensure the vehicle's structural integrity and overall performance are restored. In summary, quality repair techniques and technologies have significantly evolved, empowering technicians to restore vehicles to their original state with precision and accuracy. Modern materials, tools, and technologies play a crucial role in debunking the myth that repaired vehicles will never be the same, ensuring that vehicles can be restored to their pre-accident condition, both in terms of performance and appearance. Risks and consequences of DIY collision repairs. Safety concerns. Engaging in DIY collision repairs without proper training and equipment can pose serious safety risks. Working with airbags, electrical systems, and structural components of a vehicle without adequate knowledge can result in severe injuries or further damage to the vehicle. Compromised structural integrity. Attempting to repair a vehicle's structural components without the expertise of a professional can lead to compromised structural integrity. This can impact the safety of the vehicle in future collisions, putting the driver and passengers at risk. Voided warranties and insurance. Many insurance policies and warranties explicitly state that any DIY repairs may void coverage. As a result, attempting DIY collision repairs can leave you financially liable for any future damages or safety issues related to the repair. Decreased vehicle value. Improperly executed DIY repairs can significantly decrease the value of a vehicle. Potential buyers may be deterred by evidence of amateur repairs, leading to depreciation of the vehicle's resale value. Legal implications. In certain jurisdictions, performing unlicensed collision repairs may be illegal. It's important to be aware of the legal implications of DIY repairs, as it may result in fines or other legal consequences. The risks and consequences associated with DIY collision repairs underscore the importance of entrusting such repairs to qualified professionals. Prioritizing safety, structural integrity, warranties, insurance coverage, and legal compliance are crucial factors to consider when addressing collision damage. Choosing the right collision repair facility. Considering reputation and experience. When selecting a collision repair shop, it's crucial to consider the reputation and experience of the facility. Look for reviews and testimonials from previous customers to gauge the level of service and satisfaction. A shop with a proven track record and positive feedback is more likely to provide top-notch service. Assessing certifications and training. It's important to inquire about the certifications and training of the technicians at the collision repair shop. Look for evidence of industry certifications and ongoing training to ensure that the staff is equipped with the latest knowledge and skills to handle repairs effectively. Evaluating facilities and equipment. Take a close look at the facilities and equipment at the repair shop. A well-equipped facility with modern tools and technology indicates a commitment to providing high-quality service. Ensure that the shop has the necessary resources to handle various types of collision repairs. Understanding warranty and guarantees. Inquire about the warranties and guarantees offered by the collision repair shop. A reputable facility will stand behind its workmanship and provide clear warranty terms for the repairs. Understanding the warranty coverage can provide peace of mind regarding the level of service offered. Personalized customer service. Consider the level of personalized customer service offered by the repair facility. A shop that prioritizes clear communication, transparency, and attentiveness to customer needs can make the repair process smoother and more satisfying for vehicle owners. Choosing the right collision repair facility involves considering various factors such as reputation, certifications, facilities, warranties, and customer service. By evaluating these aspects, vehicle owners can make an informed decision and ensure that they receive the level of service they expect. In conclusion, it is crucial to debunk common collision repair myths to ensure that vehicle owners make well-informed decisions. By understanding the truth behind these misconceptions, individuals can confidently navigate the process of collision repair. Clearing up these myths not only empowers consumers but also fosters trust and transparency within the automotive repair industry. It is imperative for both consumers and professionals to dispel these falsehoods and promote accurate information regarding collision repair. Thank you for exploring the truth behind collision repair myths with us. If you found this video informative, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more myth-busting automotive content from Easy Driver. Thank you for watching.